Have you ever felt cursed? Like an unseen force is blocking your success, draining your energy, or causing misfortune? If so, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You can break the curse and send it back to where it came from. Today, I'll show you a powerful reversal spell, one that has been used for centuries to return negative energy to its sender and free yourself from its grip. This spell is simple yet incredibly effective. All you will need is just one thing, a black candle, the symbol of protection, banishment, and reversal. Black candles absorb negative energy and send it back to its source, breaking the curse at its roots. The spell must be performed only on Tuesday nights. Tuesday is the day of warrior energy, ruled by Mars, the planet of power and action. This is the perfect time to fight back against spiritual attacks. To perform the spell, light a black candle and recite the following words with firm convictions. Return the trick from whence it came and let the sower reap their just rewards. Repeat this 3 times. To strengthen the spell, repeat it again on Saturday night, the day ruled by Saturn, the planet of karma and justice. Continue this ritual each week on the same days until you feel the weight lifting, the negativity dissolving, and the curse finally broken. Note that this spell does not seek revenge. It simply returns the negative energy to its source, allowing justice to unfold naturally. Use it with pure intentions and a clear mind. No curse is stronger than your will to break free. Light the candle, speak the words, and reclaim your power. The universe always restores balance. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more powerful spells and spiritual protection techniques.